Serato, I see what you're doing. Unless you live under a rock, you know that Serato just released a beta of Serato DJ 4.0. And there are people all over the internet writing articles and videos saying how this is the biggest update and it's the most massive update ever to Serato. So I decided I was going to download it and try it. But when I went to download it, I stopped and I read the blog. I wanted to see what Serato had to say about this massive update and all these cool features that they were going to include. But the one thing I noticed it says is it specifically says on the blog that this is just the library beta. They are just testing the library for the new version of Serato, which by the way got some really needed improvements. You can now search for crates, you can now list your crates alphabetically, you can also pin your favorite crates to the top of your crate list, you can change the colors of your crates, you can right click on a crate and have options, you can right click on a track and have options. There are so many much needed improvements. Cheers, Serato, it's like you finally started listening or something. Let's go! You see, I made a little video a while ago. It's called The Downfall of Serato, and it's got over 30,000 views. As a matter of fact, it's my most popular video that I've ever made. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and give it a watch. In that video, I kind of let out my frustration with Serato. I said that they were stale and they stopped innovating. I would argue that Serato is stale, like very stale. All you have to do is open a program like Virtual DJ or Algorithms DJ Pro to prove it. For a company that used to be an innovator, I feel like they're just a follower now, which by the way is 100% true. Serato hasn't come out with a game-changing feature in a really long time. Nowadays, Serato users are just getting features that other DJ programs already have. In the video, I say that it feels like Serato just gave up. Well, after downloading the library beta, I can't help but think that somebody at Serato heard me. Because after looking at the library beta, I noticed some things. So I'm going to tell you what I noticed, and I'm going to speculate today on where I think Serato is actually going and what we're actually getting in this new update. One of my biggest complaints is that Serato DJ has looked the same since it came out in 2012. Sure, they've added features, but the colorway, the fonts, the overall look has never changed since we got the new program in 2012. There was a glimmer of hope when Serato released the Scratch Live skin for DJ Pro, but Serato, in their infinite wisdom, locked it behind a set of control vinyls. So although that skin wasn't available, it proved my point. Serato could give us options to customize the visual look of the program, but they just don't. Whack. Until now. You see, when you look at the library beta, it's hard not to notice the subtle difference in the look of the library. It stands out from the upper portion of the program. Now, the crates panel and library panel are outlined with thin black lines. Everything about the library looks fresh and clean, which leads me to my first prediction. We're getting our first major UI overhaul on this program since it released. I imagine the thin black lines will be a common theme throughout the program. I think the program's going to look familiar, but just a little more modern. We could also take a hint from being able to change the color of the crates that we might actually finally get some options to change the color of our UI. Yes! Of course, this is just speculation, but I really feel like it's coming. Anyone who uses Serato knows that the beat grids are the worst. I would bet that they get a major upgrade in 4.0. My thought is that we'll finally see dynamic beat grids like we have in DJ Pro. Beat grids aren't Serato's only weak spot though. Automix in Serato is also garbage. Now, this is not something that everyone wants or needs. However, having an Automix feature that does more than just playing one song from start to finish after another is something that seems like a no-brainer for DJ software in 2025. Imagine if you just had to take a quick bathroom break. How nice would it be to just throw some songs in an Automix list and know that the program can mix them at a very basic level to at least get you by so you could use the bathroom. That is really all anyone needs Automix for, and I think we're going to get it in Serato DJ 4.0. My next prediction is more just me being hopeful more than anything, but I really do think Serato is working on an app for mobile devices. Algorithms DJ Pro has proven that people want to use the same app across all of their devices, and I feel like Serato is missing out on something huge. What if you could use a full-featured Serato app on your mobile device? As a wedding DJ, I personally love the idea of using one app across all of my devices. That's exactly why I'm transitioning over to DJ Pro. Duh. Here's one thing I can tell you. Serato has been stale for years. The program looks old and outdated. It is time for them to do something to revitalize the brand. I am remaining so hopeful that this really is just a beta of the library and not the full version of Serato DJ 4.0. Because if that is all we're getting in the next major update of Serato, that is absolute bull. Again, I'm remaining hopeful that this truly is just a library beta. They say competition drives innovation. I guess we'll see if some competition will drive Serato to innovate something. Anything. But viewers, I'll leave it to you. What features do you think are coming in Serato DJ 4.0? Leave it in the comments. As always, if you made it to the end of this video, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. If you found anything valuable in the content, please subscribe to the channel. We have a bunch of videos going over the tech that we use as DJs, with a lot more coming down the pipeline. My name is Seth, aka DJ Seth V. This is DJ Tech Tips. Thank you for watching, and we out.